Okay, so they are snitching. So we sat here with Willie Paul. He spoke shit about you. I didn't.
I saw that shit, by the way.
Yeah.
I saw it, yeah.
Willie Paul ndiye alisema unakaa Ghost Rider, Nicolas Cage. Kwa mi sikusema. Me, I was just a victim. Mi nilikuwa, you know, it's Willie Paul. I can't tell him, oh.
Willie Paul acha kuniingilia zile siku hapa kujidefend. Unaona? Lakini ilikuwa fun episode. Actually, up until that day, I didn't know Willie Paul was intelligent. I was in deep shock when he started saying some things in your show that was so profound.
Oh, wow.
I was in shock, honestly, when Willie spoke about how the church views artistry. You know, just things like mazee ukiomoka sasa when you are shetani, lakini ukisota. You know, those are things that I've seen happen in, you know, around me in my circles.
Yeah.
So, yes, you
never expected it.
More often than not, Willie Paul tupatia tu depth ya teaspoon.
Atongeza za madem.
Hizo tu.
Mkunaji ni nini?
Bwana mkunaji. Lakini hiyo siku nilikuwa pleasantly surprised.
Yeah. He was a good sport as well. That day we had a lot of conversations. However, now we are talk about BN.